During the darkest nights of World War II, when blackouts cloaked entire towns and fear hung heavier than smoke, some homes had a secret defence hidden right underfoot. No electricity, no tripwires, no alarms, just wood, nails, and a bit of clever physics. While soldiers and spies waged war on distant fronts, ordinary civilians built something extraordinary. Silent intruder alarms beneath their floorboards. These weren't just makeshift traps. They were life-saving indicators that told homeowners if someone was inside before the intruder even knew he'd been detected. This wasn't high-tech espionage. It was pure mechanical ingenuity, a forgotten art of defence that's as relevant for home security today as it was in 1943. You can actually replicate this forgotten security method today using modern materials and, well, you don't have to permanently alter your home. Start with a wooden floor section near an entryway or maybe a hallway. Loosen a plank just a bit, mounting it on rubber spacers or small door springs you can pick up at a hardware shop. Then attach a fine nylon cord beneath, connected to a small hanging object like a washer or just a piece of metal. When someone steps on the board, the vibration, or that slight contact below, acts as a silent alert. You can even take it further, with a tiny vibration sensor connected to a low-power LED hidden behind furniture. Step on the plank, and the LED flickers, but ever so discreetly. Same principle, really. No sound or light unless you know exactly where to look. This isn't about building traps. It's about situational awareness, which honestly survivalists value above all else. Modern security systems depend on electricity, Wi-Fi, and constant connectivity, all of which can, well, fail during blackouts, EMP events, or if the grid collapses. The World War II floorboard trick teaches a different lesson. Preparedness and awareness don't rely on technology. They rely on clever use of materials and understanding your environment. For survivalists, this knowledge is absolute gold. Whether it's an off-grid cabin, a safe house, or just an extra layer of home defense, the principles apply. Movement can be detected silently without batteries and without the intruder ever realizing they've been spotted. History isn't just something to remember, it's something to reuse. These wartime innovations, well, they show that necessity really does breed brilliance. Some designs vanished because they weren't written in manuals. They were passed from person to person, whispered through families under occupation. Today we can keep that knowledge alive, not as relics, but as functional tools. The World War II floorboard alarm is more than just a curiosity. It's mechanical intelligence, plain and simple. It demonstrates that observation, adaptation, and creativity could mean the difference between safety and danger. Try building a small model yourself. Use scrap wood, light springs, and fishing line to recreate how pressure can trigger motion, all silently. Once you understand that logic, honestly, possibilities open up everywhere. Floorboards, doors, even furniture. That's the mark of a true survivalist, someone who learns from the past to protect the present. If you found this breakdown valuable, if you respect knowledge that once saved families under wartime pressure, subscribe to The Untold Battle. Share this with other history buffs and preparedness enthusiasts who believe old innovations still have modern power. The next time you step on your own floorboards, remember, even the smallest creak once held the weight of survival.